Jamaica is a rich country, but with a system designed to keep us poor. Our leaders are misleaders who, instead of working for us, works for our enemies. They told us out of many we're one, but that is a bold-faced lie. Since the first election in 1944, over 77 years ago, they have been misleading the nation. They use tribal division and political distraction to orchestrate our wealth extraction. They ganged upon and got rid of Marcus Garvey, then made him an obscure hero of no effect. They ganged upon, beat and massacred our Rasta brothers, and claimed Bob Marley as their own. They followed the orders of their colonial masters and made ganja illegal to destroy our boys. They fed us a fake independence while enforcing a colonial constitution that denied us our lands. They divided us into two tribes and led us to kill each other for scarce benefits and spoils. Now they're trying to own and sell our bodies and the bodies of our children to the highest bidders. This is the last straw. We cannot comply. We must not comply. We will not comply. They want to take away our freedom of speech, freedom of movement, and freedom of choice. But we, the UIC, the People's Party, will not let them. We are determined to protect our children and will take back our lives and our country. We will unite and fight for our right to be truly free. We no longer see ourselves through partisan lens. We see ourselves as one people. We will be one Jamaica, united, strong and free. And that is why we will vote the UIC, the People's Party,